Hey you guys, welcome to my lunch meal prep for the week. I have a really easy recipe for this week and it's keto friendly. So if you want to do some keto meal prepping, this is quick, easy, and delicious. So I have some frozen meatballs, so it doesn't get any easier than that. I have riced cauliflower. I love this one. You just steam it in the bag. Really easy, and it turns out so much better than if I actually make the riced cauliflower myself, so I love these. And then it's just gonna be like a Hawaiian meatball dish. Like I mentioned in my grocery haul video the other day, I had been thinking a lot about Lahaina and Maui, Hawaii, and the tragic fires that happened last week, and I just wanted to kind of make something Hawaiian for my meal prep. So there's gonna be pineapple in here, liquid aminos, I have some brown monk fruit, so I'm keeping all this keto this week, and bell pepper, some garlic, and then this xantham gum. It is for keto recipes specifically, but it's like a cornstarch. So I'm gonna get this all made up. Like I said, really quick and easy meal prep for this week, so I'll show you how I make it.
I'm going to add some olive oil into my little skillet, and I am going to add in my chopped up bell pepper. You can use any color of bell pepper you'd like, and I kind of like to do a medium chop with this. So I'm going to soften this all up by sauteing it on the stove. Now I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of minced garlic. I buy my garlic already minced, but you can definitely do it yourself. So I'm going to cook that in with the diced bell pepper. Now I'm going to add in all my other ingredients. So I have 1/3 cup of liquid aminos. You can use soy sauce if you'd like. And I have a tablespoon of brown sugar monk fruit. And then I have a teaspoon of xantham gum. So I'm going to mix all of this around, let it simmer for a bit before I add in my meatballs and then my drained pineapple chunks. So I'm just using frozen meatballs. You can always definitely make your own, but this meal prep is quick and easy. Just trying to save some time. We are having a hectic schedule lately, so quick and easy meal prep is the way to go. So I've drained the pineapple and adding it in, and then this is going to just simmer for a little bit and then it will be all done. And I'm steaming the cauliflower rice in the microwave right now also.
All right, so the steamed rice cauliflower, super easy, all set. These meatballs are so delicious, such an awesome flavor. So I'll portion everything into my meal prep containers. If you've been around my channel, you know I use these every single week. Absolutely love them. I got them on Amazon, really great quality, glass, perfect for meal prepping. So if you need some new meal prep containers, I will link these in the description box. They are definitely my favorite. I have gotten my money's worth out of them like a million times over. So I am going to portion everything out and lunch will be ready to go for the week. All right, so it doesn't get much easier than this, and now I have a healthy lunch ready to go for each day this week. So no excuses to go out to fast food or to make something unhealthy. So I love having my meals prepped for the week. If you need some meal prep inspiration, I will put up my playlist right here of all of my lunch meal prep videos. So make sure you check that out if you need some motivation to do some super easy and healthy meal prepping. Like, I love meal prepping because it just makes my life easier, and it's just easier for me to stay healthy that way. So check out that playlist, and I will see you all next time. Hope you have a really, really wonderful day. Bye-bye.